Big breaking news that's coming in. Bharat Biotech is now sent across a proposal to India's Drug Controller General of India to seek approval for trials on a nasal vaccine to fight COVID-19 in India. Bharat Biotech did tell us here on India Today that they are going to be approaching the DCGI, and we've been getting you details on that story. Now they've sent across their proposal to conduct trials of their nasal vaccine. Milan Sharma is joining us with more details on this. Milan, you've been reporting on this story and about Bharat Biotech considering a nasal vaccine now. A lot of curiosity about this. We could very soon have trials also happening in Nagpur.
Well, that's right. Bharat Biotech has sent in a proposal to the Drug Controller General India on starting trials of phase 1 and 2 for nasal vaccines against the COVID-19. Now, how they work is that the nasal vaccines are injected directly in the nose. This area of the mouth region is seen as the prominent point of infection where the coronavirus happens. Right now, we are looking at all the vaccines that have been created. They have been intramuscular vaccines, which are shots given in the muscle on the arm. So this is going to be a big thing, because when you look at nasal vaccines, they will be easier to store as well. They won't require syringes. And Bharat Biotech is already doing trials in the US with the pharma companies like Flugen, as well as the University of Washington School of Medicine there in the United States. But in India, they will have to seek approvals from the Drug Controller General. And now Bharat Biotech has given a proposal to begin the phase 1 and 2 trials in India, which will likely happen. The centers are, the sources have told us, is going to be in Nagpur, Bhubaneswar, Hyderabad, as well as in Pune.
So this will be phase 1 and phase 2 trials, but there's been a lot of talk about how different a nasal vaccine could be to one that's injected, Milan, and some experts have also said and indicated that perhaps a nasal vaccine could be more effective even.
That's right. See, these are the trials that will be done in these 4 trial centers. The trials will be done on about 30 to 45 people is what we've been told initially by our sources. And they will be done on people on ages above the age of 18. And definitely the nasal vaccine, as experts say, is more viable and suitable to the COVID-19 infection, because the nasal vaccine also has faster absorption. It also, if given through the path of the nose, requires lesser dosage, as well as there's no need to procure syringes separately to administer such a vaccine. Now, as I said, the United States already a trial is going on of Bharat Biotech with the pharma company there, as well as the University of Washington School of Medicine. But here in India, they are going to look at seeking approvals for trials from the Drug Controller General, and hopefully India will also look at another vaccine, and that will be in the nasal form instead of being an intramuscular vaccine.
And if that happens, it's going to really be a game changer in the fight against coronavirus. We'll be tracking this story very, very closely. Milan, thank you for joining us with those details. Slipping into a